What is an API?
API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a way for different software programs to talk to each other. Think of it as a translator that lets apps and services share data and features, even if they're built in totally different ways. APIs are everywhere, in websites, mobile apps, and online services you use every day.
How do APIs work?
Imagine ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want, and they relay it to the kitchen. The kitchen cooks your food, and the waiter brings it back. In this example, the waiter is like an API, delivering requests and responses between two parties who don't interact directly.
Why are APIs important?
APIs make software development faster and more flexible. They allow apps to reuse existing data and features instead of building everything from scratch. That's how weather apps get forecasts, or social media platforms let you log in with another account. APIs connect the dots behind the scenes.
Types of APIs you might encounter.
Common types of APIs include web APIs, which connect websites and online services, operating system APIs, which help apps work with your device, and library APIs, which let programs use ready-made functions. As a tech newcomer, you'll often work with web APIs to access data or services.
Learning APIs, why it matters for your career.
Understanding APIs gives you a key advantage in tech. Whether you want to build websites, develop apps, or analyze data, knowing how APIs function opens up new opportunities. As you grow your skills, learning to use APIs is a smart, practical step toward becoming a confident tech professional.